I'm going to show how to take off and replace the throttle on a Freerider. And so it's pretty simple. You just got to remove this cover here. You'll see that the cable from the throttle goes down and comes in the side here, and you can get to it from here. So just a 5mm Allen wrench will do the job. So just pull that off. Okay, once that bolt is loose, you can pull the cover off here. Okay, so if you follow the cable down, you'll see this one right here. When I'm pulling on it, you can see which one it's moving. It's moving this guy right here. Follow that through, and that is the cable. It's on this bike. It was tucked back down there a little bit. You just pop it right up, and then little push down on that little piece right there, and then you can unplug it. So to get that off, you might just need a little screwdriver. Push this piece down and shove it in there, and that will get those apart. And then you'll need to snip these wire ties, pull it out, and then the throttle housing assembly here will just come off with 2 screws right there. Unscrew those, pull it off, put your new one on, screw it back on, thread the wire back through, put some new zip ties on, plug it back in, and you're off to the races.